Alright everyone, you don't know who this already are this skiller, you see me? That one here is a really like a very touching subject, you see me? And really and truly it's like I just want to take a look on this and hope you can learn something from this. You see me I say, cause for real, just bear in mind that this one come with a lot of tears and you can actually feel the emotion in this one, you understand? So take a look for yourself and observe.
I don't do nothing at all, my girl. I don't do nothing, I left come America and see me I try to sort out in your life, you know. And we can have a better life and people can see you and see the struggles where we have come from. And this you do me. I beg you tell me pick them in a munchie. Then find me there in the house and tell me pick them in a munchie. So then daddy love them, you know. And then daddy will try and then daddy always make sure they have something, you know. I beg you to tell them, you know. I beg you tell them in a munchie. I beg you tell me picking them in a car. God knows I'm gonna deserve this, you know. Me try every fucking thing, me clean all shit, dog. Hard shit. Clean people, yeah. Just put one dagger together and starve myself up, yeah. Starve myself up, yeah. Just make sure some have something down there. And this will come to me, everybody plan upon and this will come. You are a hard person. Me never turn me back on you yet, no matter what. If you're sick, by the time you say this, me go find.
You see, the first thing I want to say is, because I know say enough man I go say this and say about, I saw all woman tan. Me say this have nothing to do with no gender. You understand? It don't have nothing to do with no gender, say a woman tan or a man tan. So it is the person themselves. You get me? So nobody pinpoint and go say yo, I saw woman tan. It could just like how this happened to this man, this same thing happened to a lot of women. You understand? A lot of time man get woman pregnant and run left the picnic. You see me? So before anything else, me want don't even try to say about I saw woman tan. And I saw it go. You get what I say to you? Now, what really and truly made me look on this clip is you can actually feel the emotion coming from this big brother. You see me I say? You see me because, let me tell you something. Him said that he go overseas to make a better life for him and that lady. And my judging upon enough things, my experience of life, enough people me know when they go overseas, they don't remember pitting mama, nobody. And for that man they overseas and I shed tears, you must know say in loving family. You get what I say to you? You see, Janu. So me here say something where me not really want anybody to fall in such a deep depression. Them go think about no suicide. Listen to me, let me tell you now. Me no want none of uno. Because this will happen to him can happen to anybody. You see me? So it's when time something like this happen to you try to hold up on the head. Me no want none of uno. But you not go put on yourself in the grave for nobody. Trust me, it I go get better. Remember me tell you, me personally can tell you. You see me because trust me. Trust me. Let me tell you something, man. Big brother, any man where I go through them struggle, if you hear this, remember me telling you things always get better. Especially when he's a hard working man. You see me? Yes, I know you love your family. And I know it is not the way or you dream it would have been. You'd wish you could have seen the picket fence and your picnic run out and your wife come greet you and kiss you and carry you, sit around the table and your food there and you talk and you laugh and watch TV and you sleep and you wake up and grow up together, college and all these things. I know the dream. Believe me, I have that dream in myself, but it not work out that way there. It not work out that way there. So from my experience as a man, and even if it now have nothing to do with a man, I just want to tell whether you be man or woman, I go through this, that no matter what, it I go get better. Alright? So you don't bother with the suicide thing now them thoughts. They just hold up on your head. You see me? Hold up on your head. You see me I say? Jan. Alright? Anyways, don't go up so me can be some form of an inspiration to you know anybody will go through these things. So me I say Cause believe me, me never face depression in my life, but me hear about depression and me see one and two people where, you know, me don't know if a depression or what, but some of them lose it, you see me? So, me don't really want none of my brother and sister them go through nothing bad or end up in a grave or about them or kill themselves and them things. Me don't want that. I don't want that. See me? So I beg you know, just hold up on the head. No matter how you see them gone, it'll go better. Believe me. Alright? Anyways, if you need to know more what go on, and if you're brand new to my channel, you have to click the subscribe button. Yes, what I say? You just read the description down below. If you contact the skiller, leave in the comments down below. Yes, what I say? A word of inspiration would be best. You understand? In a situation like this. Yes, what I say? My name is Skilla, and that way just say Dancehall Skilla ENT.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.